Hi guys, Bob Robinson here of the Robinson Twins. I'm up on the roof of my house to demonstrate the concept that you can create a rainbow from sunlight using a garden hose and a misting attachment, so that the mist of the water and the sunlight will create a rainbow. Then I'm going to come up here later tonight, 2 nights before the full moon, and try to create a moonbow the same way using a garden hose. To demonstrate the concept that moonbows are just like rainbows that you see during the day, except that they derive from moonlight rather than sunlight.
As you can see, just by waving the garden hose attachment around, creating a mist, and producing an arc of a rainbow.
So I'm up on the roof again, 2 nights before the full moon. The moon is up nice and high and bright. Here's our garden hose. Let's see if we can create now a lunar rainbow, otherwise known as a moonbow. Now, of course, what I'm seeing from my perspective is a ghostly white arc of light, which the colors will come through if I take a shot of it with a still camera with a long shutter speed, so the colors can have more time to saturate. But I can see a moonbow right there.
As you can see in these photographs taken with 15 to 30 second exposures, the colors of the moonbow show through. And these were all created by me just using a garden hose. In this photograph, the shadow of my head is at what's called the anti-lunar point, or the point directly opposite from where the moon is. The anti-lunar point forms the center of the arc of the rainbow. So if you're looking for a moonbow, find the shadow of your head and then look at a 42-degree angle away from it, and you'll find the arc of the moonbow. And here are some photographs that we've taken of the moonbow in Yosemite Falls. The first image is actually a double moonbow. The second moonbow, the colors are reversed. And in the second image, the moonbow appears over the middle Cascades. Upper Yosemite Falls is on the left side. This third image shows the moonbow in Upper Yosemite Falls as seen from Cook's Meadow, which is near the Sentinel Bridge parking lot. And here's a GoPro night-lapse video of the moonbow in Lower Yosemite Falls from May 25th, 2021. Now watch the video again, slowed down by 50% so you can see more of the action. On this particular visit, the mist created by Lower Yosemite Falls was good and steady and produced a good solid moonbow during almost the entire time of the expected duration. And here's another GoPro night-lapse video shot from May 24th, 2021 from Glacier Point, looking at Upper Yosemite Falls to see the moonbow. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.